Okay guys, back with another haircut tutorial. This one, I'm gonna do it in real time. Well, the fade I'm gonna do it in real time. Some parts will be sped up, just like parts of me balding them out, or just parts that really have no really detail in them. But when I fade, you're gonna see the fade in real time. The only time I'm gonna cut the footage is when I'm not cutting the hair. So you're gonna be seeing everything that I'm doing in real time. I want to do this because I know usually I just have the video just going fast the whole time, and I think it'll be a little easier to learn, or I guess better to watch it if it's going a little slower. So that's what I did here in this video. So right here we're just gonna do a mid bald fade, almost kind of like a drop fade almost. And when it comes to balding, you have to be careful with some clients. With him, I did not use the shaver. I did not use a electric shaver. This is the closest that I'm gonna get with this trimmer right here, because these are my hitters. These get real close. So these are the closest. I didn't want to go with the electric shaver because I didn't want them to bump up. Alright, so here we are, real time. All my fading is always the same. So what I do when I make these guidelines, after I make this line, you're gonna see me close the lever just a little bit, not all the way. I'm gonna close the lever to halfway, and then I'm gonna blend it in a little bit. Then I'm gonna close the lever all the way, and that should blend out the line almost. And I'll use the trimmer to get that out. And I'm gonna show you guys a video of how I set my magic clips, how I get them to cut a little bit closer, how I zero gap them. If you zero gap your clippers, it'll be easier for you to get the bald line out. And I just think it makes it a whole lot easier to make a good fade when you zero gap your clippers. If you guys got any questions specifically about something, anything at all, let me know in the comment section. And if it's a video you want me to post about something, let me know. I got more videos coming up for you guys. Remember, haircut tutorials every Thursday. So hit that subscribe button. You know what I mean? Oh, and I don't know if you guys saw, but when I made the lever go all the way closed, I kind of left another line in there, but it was alright because I just opened it up a little bit, get the line out like that, and then go back and touch up anything. You really want to make this as crisp as possible, especially this first one, this first guideline. And I just want to show this part. I went all the way around the head doing that, and now I'm using the corners of my trimmer and taking out the bottom line. Okay, so now with the 0 guard or the half guard open, and we're just gonna repeat the same step that we just did. Okay, so now that we did that, now we're gonna go to the 3 guard, and we're gonna take that all the way up to the top of the head. Once again. Now I kind of left a bulk line at the top of his head where I'm taking the 3 guard up, but that's okay because we're still gonna take the top down. If the top is already at the desired length, say you already cut the top first, then you would want to get a guard that will blend straight up into whatever top hair he has, you know what I mean? Like, so if he has, well, I would say like a 5 guard is probably like the highest guard that you would have to be able to use, I would say 80% of the time, because 5 guard really can blend into anything with the flicking. Every now and then you might have to throw a 6, but yeah, if he had like say an 8 on top, I would take a 5 and go with the 5 first and flick, and it should blend up smoothly. If it doesn't, you know, get a 6, and then just work your way down. Once again. In every guard, we started off open, and then we close it and fade just a little bit lower. And then once we get to the 1 guard, the 1 guard should blend us all together. Okay, so after we line them up and hit them with the razor, then our cut is complete. Yeah, I didn't get a full shot of the after, but you know, just look at it right now, see how it is, or y'all seen it, y'all been seeing it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JayJay96 and subscribe for more videos. Got them coming, baby.